Just doing a real quick video on the 14-inch white scraper. And here it is here. It looks like it's dirty, but I actually had it in the pork and beans here. And we're done with dinner, and you see how long it is. And we're done with dinner, so I wanted to be able to use it to be able to get, the leftovers and put it up. But I'm just scraping the sides, and it just works beautifully. Just pushing it on over. I'm going to get this on up. And I'm just going to go ahead and put inside of the bag so I can be able to, serve this for leftovers. And look how I'm just getting everything. Just sliding it on the end. And it's just nice because I'm able to get everything with this spatula, which is pretty cool. Scrape the sides, go around it, push it over, and I can pretty much get a good portion of it, which is awesome. So there you go. Pretty nice, huh? And look at that. Pretty cool. Oh, I didn't see that part. I'm going to get that too. Why not? And there we go. Thank you so much for watching.